social media in general, the apps that you have on phone, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, more than WhatsApp, Facebook, maybe all these social media apps becomes a distraction, right? How do you deal with that? Best solution, don't use it at all. Personally, giving my example, it's not that hard. I'll tell you why. I am not on social media. Okay. I'm not on Instagram. I'm not on Facebook. I'm not on Snapchat. There is an exception. I do use Twitter. I use it for research and work. That's fine. I'm not completely 24/7 on that. Maybe once in a week or something. I'm on LinkedIn, and that's for the job. And sometimes I post once in a month or something there. That's related to work again. In the beginning I said one line, and you'll understand now why. One of the reasons why I said that line. This session is about helping you to ask questions so that you understand the truth, which will be a part of the solutions to your problems. Let's apply it here. Here I am saying you to not use it at all these social media things. For me, why I do not use it personally is that I know the truth regarding social media and apps. Now, what truth I'm talking about? Since my school days, I used to read newspapers, English newspapers. There, I used to read the results of the researchers, various researchers that has been conducted by various universities, by various PhD or graduates. All these results pointed into one direction. That direction was that social media is toxic for your mind. It is harmful for your mind in general. It increases anxiety, it increases stress, and so on, so on, so on. But that's what newspapers are saying. That's the truth for them, you can say for now. That you don't know if this is the reality or not. Someone else is saying that. Okay, I'm saying if you are a science student, if you are an engineering student, you should start asking questions and start finding the solutions and answers yourself to understand the truth. When I started understanding AI as well, at that time, for me, I took that as the truth that this happens. Personally, I am feeling it and I will not use it at all. So from my school days, I was not on social media. So I was very focused. The truth aspect I want to talk about is that the algorithms that are behind these social media. Let's talk about these algorithms. These are AI algorithms. Okay. And these AI algorithms actually suggest you content which you would like to see or you may want to see, because their job is to waste your time, to put it bluntly. Their job is to take maximum time of yours so that they can be used to show you ads, to generate revenue. That's their business model. And these AI algorithms are trained to do exactly that. Like YouTube is also following into that as well. You see one video and you get a recommendation, you see another video, another video, another video, and another video. 2 hours gone. You're wasting your time. Exactly. But you can definitely use it for better purposes like seeing educational videos and doing crash courses or learning a new skill there. That's a different thing. But in general, it does waste your time. So the thing would be to be aware that stop, limit its usage. If you are using it too much, Atomic Habits book can definitely help you to change the kind of habit that you have got. Because what happens is that when you do a certain thing again and again and again, that becomes a habit of your subconscious mind. And if even if you don't want to do it consciously, somewhere inside you there is this voice that tells you that if I use it, I will be wasting my time. You don't have control over your mind. You will just give in, the hand will go, and you will pick it up your phone whenever it rings, and you will check all those messages and all, and your time will be wasted. This means you don't have control over your mind. You should not be scared, because there are solutions: Atomic Habits, meditation, or maybe just for now just restricting its access. There was like a phone in which we could restrict apps, in which these in those durations we cannot use these apps even if we wanted. So making it harder to access these apps is one of the instant solutions that you can find or you can implement. So yeah, digital distraction, it's a very big thing. So the truth I was talking about, right? When you understand the truth, how social media affects or can affect you adversely, then only understanding this truth you can actually start taking actions to change that habit. Otherwise you will be dwelling in that. And one of the biggest things which I recommend not to use social media is because when you use social media, you will be chasing goals which you never had in the first place. Looking at someone's post or looking at someone's maybe image or some kind of post, you will be chasing your wants, which you might want because it taps into your desires. It kind of is tricking you into running for that want thing. But what's the price that you pay? You are being distracted from your needs. The needs is the most important thing, and you need to focus on your needs, not your wants. Wants can come later in life maybe, but needs is what is the most important, and you are being distracted from that. So be aware.